So Anjuna Security is a company that's enabling the technology called confidential computing, which is a very powerful new way for organizations to protect data during use, not just at data at rest and data in motion, but during use. And we've poured millions of dollars of investment into software as an industry to try and solve the problem of isolating from attackers and root users and so on. This solves it in the processes themselves. And so that shrinks the problem to the attack point, which is a very different security model. And when you think about things like zero trust, confidential computing gives you that right down at the hardware level. When you think about data security, over the years, all of the compliance regulations have forced people to better protect privacy and the data. But they focused on data when it's moving or data when it's stored. But data in use is where processing takes place. It's where AI models are analyzing and training and running inference on that data. So now the question is, how do you protect data in use? And to do that at scale without impacting the performance. And that's what we help enable. And it's been an unsolved problem for about the last 40 years since the dawn of compute. When it comes to the machine learning and the AI, it's also about the intellectual property in a model. So if you want to train a model and then distribute that model, you could be giving away a lot of IP if that is breached. And so being able to contain and control data, sensitive information, and code, even when it's distributed widely in the cloud, is a huge benefit of this technology. And one of our large banking customers ultimately wanted to solve the problem of getting the most out of their data when merged with some of their business partners to explore revenue optimization opportunities, risk reduction, and so on. They just couldn't do that without this technology because two parties that work together in business don't always trust each other with the data. But if you can create an environment where you can bring that data together securely, bring a model into that and execute on it, you can get the results out without exposing the privacy of execution. So you can meet compliance. More importantly, you can get more from the data without increased liability and risk. So we're seeing that use case of this kind of collaboration enabled by this technology, especially on the forefront of modern AI.